Okay, good morning students. Today is discuss about differential some problems. Okay, solve d square minus 2d plus 1 into y equal to x sin x. X sin x. Okay, solve this problem. Solution: the given differential equation is d square minus 2d into y equal to x sin x. Put equation 1. Okay, our equation comparing f of d into y equal to q, and we get f of d equal to d square minus 2d plus 1. Put equation 3, and also we get q equal to x sin x. Okay, for equation 4. Equation 4. Okay, first we find out complementary function. First we find out complementary function. First we find out complementary function. Okay, auxiliary equation. Our convenient we take auxiliary equation. Okay na? Okay, f of m equal to 0. F of m equal to 0. This goes to very important. F of m equal to 0. Above equation 3 is what 3? F of d is equal to d square minus 2d plus 1. In this 3 equation is terms of d. Here f of m. Therefore, m square minus 2m plus 1 equal to 0. M square minus 2m plus 1 equal to 0. This goes to how to write m minus 1 whole square equal to 0. M minus 1 whole square is equal to 0. Okay. Next, continue. M minus 1 into, continue step is m minus 1 into m minus 1 equal to 0. M minus 1 into m minus 1 equal to 0. This goes to, one formula is there. AB equal to 0. A equal to 0. Also, or B equal to 0. Same, m minus 1 equal to 0. M minus 1 equal to 0. Okay. Next to m equal to 1. Here also m equal to 1. Okay. Therefore, the roots are m equal to 1 comma 1 comma 1. 1 comma 1. Therefore, the complementary function of equation 1 is yc, that is yc equal to c1 e power x plus c2. Again repeat, here roots are repeat, real numbers and repeatness equal. Therefore, x e power x repeat. One time repeat na x, another time is repeat x square. Okay, same you write in this e power x you take common, c1 plus x c2 into e power x. Therefore, yc equal to, you put this e goes to equation 5th. yc completed. Complementary function, you find out complementary function. Okay, next we find out particular integral. Therefore, the particular integral of equation 1 is yp equal to q by f of d. Given equation 1 is q is what? Equation third and fourth. Fourth is equal to what? Q is equal to x sin x q, and f of t is equal to what? D square minus 2d plus 1. Okay, here. Okay na? Okay. In this method, this goes to the formula. One formula is there, xv by f of d. xv by f of d. Here x mean x and v mean sin x, and f of d mean f d square minus 2d plus 1. Okay. This goes to one formula is there. Since what formula this goes to xv by f of d? X minus f of d by f dash of d. F dash of d mean f of d derivation. Okay. Into v by f of d. V by f of d. Same this formula you apply in this x sin x by d square minus 2d plus 1. Okay. Continue step. Okay. X minus x mean xa. Okay. F of d mean d square minus 2d. Sorry. F dash of d by f of d. F dash of d by f of d. Okay. F dash of d mean what? F dash of mean d square definition 2d and minus 2d mean minus 2 by d square minus 2d plus 1, okay, into v mean sin x by d square minus 2d plus 1. Okay, once again I will repeat xv by f of d, x minus f dash of b by f of d into v by f of d, v by f of d. This formula you use this in this case. Okay, here same, this bracket is same, you write, and this goes to sin x by this is there, sin x by that is there. Therefore yp is equal to continuous step is, our continuous step is what? yp equal to x minus 2, you take common, d minus 1 by d minus 1 by d square minus 2d plus 1 into you know sin x by, sin x by f of d. In this case sin x by f of d is there, d square is equal to minus b, since d square is equal to minus b square and minus, here b is what? Sin x means 1 sin x, 1x means bx, here b equal to 1, here since b equal to what? 1, okay, b is equal to 1 minus 1 square, you write the put d square is equal to minus b square plus minus 1 square, you write, okay, 1 by sin x is substitute, you write d square is equal to minus b square minus 1 square minus 2d minus 1, minus 1 square minus 2d plus 1, okay, you write next our continuous step, okay, x minus 2 minus d minus 1 into d minus 1 by d square minus 2d plus 1, okay, into here 1 by sin x is common, okay, here minus 1 minus 2d plus 1, minus 1 minus 2d plus 1 is minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled, minus 1 plus 1 is cancelled, x minus 2d minus 2 by d square minus 2d plus 1 into here xy sin x by here minus 2d by minus 2d. Okay, next continuous step, you take minus 1 by 2 common, minus 1 by 2 common into x minus 2d minus 2 by d square minus 2d plus 1 into here sin x by d, sin x by d mean integration of sin x, okay, next continuous step, here minus 1 by 2 into x minus 2d minus 2 by d square minus 2d plus 1 into, you know, integration of sin x mean minus cos x, here minus plus cos x, okay, next continuous step cos x, okay, understood? 1 by d mean integration, integration of sin x mean minus cos x, okay, here yp equal to 1 by 2 into here, you know, cos x multiply under bracket, okay, x cos x, okay, minus here 2d minus 2 into cos x, 2d minus 2 into cos x, how to write this? Goes to 2d minus 2 into cos x by d square minus 2d plus 1, okay, here minus 1 by 2 into x cos x minus 2d into cos x, 2d into cos x mean 2 same, here you write comma bracket, okay, differentiation of cos x minus sin x, okay, minus here 2 cos x by d square minus 2d plus 1, okay. Next continuous step, 1 by 2 into x cos x, you take common 2, okay, here minus sin x, you also take minus, this goes to plus, okay, x sin x plus cos x by d square minus 2d plus 1. Okay. Next to continuous step is what? Here sin x by some sin x by is there and cos x by also is there. Okay. Some 1 by 2 into x cos x plus 2 into here sin x by d square minus 2d plus 1 plus cos x by a plus b by k, a by k plus d by k, d square minus 2d plus 1. Okay. Next continuous step 1 by 2 into x cos x plus 2. You know this goes to sin x, you substitute. Here sin x by f of d is there. You write what? Our formula is there what? Our formula is there what? D square is equal to minus b square. Again minus 1 square. Here sin x mean x, b mean sin bx comparing. Sin x comparing sin bx and b equal to 1. D square plus you write minus b square minus 1 square. You write 1 by here 1 by minus 1 square minus 2d plus 1 into sin x sin x plus continuous step same 1 by same cos x is also substitute and here what you write here minus 1 square minus 2d plus 1. Okay. Next continuous step 3.
Okay.
Okay. D square equal to minus b square and minus 1 square you write and continuous step is yp equal to 1 by 2 into x cos x plus here minus 1 square minus 2d plus 1. Okay, we write continue and 2 into 1 by minus 1 minus 2d plus 1 into sin x plus 1 by minus 1 here also same minus 1 minus 2d plus 1 into cos x into cos x. Okay, here 1 by 2 into x cos x plus 2 into here minus 1 plus 1 get cancel. Here 2 you take here minus 2 is there right sin x by minus 2d and plus cos x by minus 2d also here minus 1 plus 1 cancel. Okay 1 by 2 into x cos x plus 2 into here you take here minus 2 you take common minus 2 here sin x by d mean integration of sin x plus integration of cos x. Here cos x by d mean differentiation, 1 by d mean integration. Okay, 1 by 2 into here x cos x here minus 2 get cancel here minus term is there into integration of sin x mean what? Minus cos x plus integration of cos x sin x. Okay, sin x cos x. Okay, here therefore our continuous step is 1 by 2 into x cos x here minus plus cos x minus into plus minus sin x okay our yp equal to what getting 1 by 2 into x cos x plus cos x minus sin x. Okay, first we get complementary function and also we get particular integral. Therefore our general solution of given differential equation what formula our general solution is y equal to yc plus yp. Okay, y equal to complementary function given equation fifth na here given equation sixth given equation fifth what of fifth c1 plus xc2 into e power x plus 1 by 2 into x cos x minus x cos x plus cos x minus sin x. Okay, this our differential equation required differential equation of given differential equation. Okay. Okay student, another problem. Solve d square plus 4 into y equal to x cos x. Another problem.